pushing for protection, and begin with what is true. The power shaping everything moves naturally through me too. Wisdom does not stand above me or exist somewhere apart. What creates the whole of life moves through my awareness and heart. I don't struggle to receive, I don't separate or stray. I recognize the source within, and alignment takes its place. Recognition becomes realization when I see myself as part of the whole. The same power, the same intelligence moves through me in a different role. I allow desire to form through knowing, not force, not effort, not degree. What the whole already contains expresses naturally through me. A part must share the nature of everything, it belongs inside. Difference exists